Hello friends, I am Professor Sonali Pawar, Assistant Professor, Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department. Today I deliver a lecture on interview techniques. So at the time of the interview, what should we do about it? What is the meaning of the interview? So right now we are on the slide number 1, so we will move toward the slide number 2, interview. And now slide number 3. So what is the exact definition of an interview? Interview is nothing but is a meeting of a people face to face, especially for a consultation. Employee's objective is to find the best person for the job. Definitely when a person have the degree or have the ability to do the work, definitely everybody work for money, and money is directly proportional to your work. So employers, so what is the meaning of employers? Employers are the reviewers, candidates, experience and abilities are seen in your resume. So what you have actually? Can you do this job? That means he will check your skill, ability, qualifications. Then he will check, will you do the job? That means he see your interest, attitude, and motivations about it. And third thing is that how will you fit into this organization? That means your personality is in that. And what exactly you are there. Impress the employer and assess your position on the offer. Definitely when we are going for an interview, that time we are just thinking that this job is better for me and definitely I want this job. So you are doing best to best. So what questions in your mind? What does this position offer me? And second one, how does it fit with my career plan? And definitely last point in that, congratulations, you must prove that you are the most suitable candidate for this position. So those are the different definitions related to step topic. Now, what are the overviews behind that? Preparing the interview is a very important part. The interview experience, if you don't know, then please refer the many things or your take the any suggestions from your seniors. Then questions to expert and to ask, this is the very important part. Different type of the interviews are taken. Just example, many interviewer are conducted with the help of aptitude test, then managing round, face-to-face interaction, and many more things. Then assessment center, then psychometric test may be happen, and interview resources. Those are the different overviews. So how to introduce yourself in an interview? Start by researching the company first and your interviewers. If you think like that, I want to do this, I'm fit for this job, definitely you search in your interested part of this company. Then you search it with this company, what exactly happened doing that. Are you really able for this job? Please do that. Second part, dress appropriately for the interview and be aware of your body language. Do eye to eye contact and avoid the distractions. And be confident and comfortable. Rehearse your introduction with a friend. Prepare what to say. Definitely when we are performing anything, we are first are doing this part. That means rehearsal part. So do at your home site. Follow your examples below. So next slide, important interviews. So what is the importance behind it? Interviews proves important because it connect both the employers as well as the job seeker. Interviews are a useful method to investigate issues in a depth way. Discover how individuals think and feel about a topic and why they hold certain opinions. Investigate the use, effectiveness, and usefulness of a particular library, connections, and services. The next question arises in our mind, does the interview mean I got the job? Definitely no. An interviewer is not a clear indication that you have the job. When we are done with the interview, what we are thinking that really I am a very good taken give my interview, so that means I will be selected. No, you are not selected. Just think and just wait for your mail conversation or communication via phone colleague or anything. Then after you are thinking that when after they are asking for a many more things, just example, they will ask for your certificates, your qualification details and all that. So what is the purpose behind that? It shows the employers what you can do for the company. Definitely he want an employee, then he definitely want a job work for this company, and it gives you an opportunity to assess whether your qualification and the career ambitions align with the position. So this is the purpose behind the interview. So this is a very important slide. The next slide is that what interviewer asks you. So here is some important questions with example I'm here put it down. So when you went for interview, first learn about this company and take all the information about this company. So when the interviewer call your name, you just stand it up and go and just ask for a may I sit. Okay, you take a permission to sit. Then he tell you definitely please sit down. Then after he will tell you please provide me your resume. Then you give your resume by both hand, and then after he will see. So when you are obsequious on that on a resume that means curriculum vitae also they are tell. So curriculum vitae objective, you definitely learn about it. First you learn it. He talk to you and he will be ask you what is the objective of your resume. Then you which one you are related, just tell them. Then the next question he maybe arises that so introduce yourself. Then where you introduce yourself, just give the example. So my name is this. I am from this city. I have my degree in this. I got first class with distinction. This is my percentage. And if he are interested to listen more than, then when he asks, then you just only tell them. If you add your college name, your city name, any other. So next question he will be ask you just example. What is your strength? So don't forget whatever you say your strength, he will be test you that time. Okay, just example honesty and helping nature. Okay, so he will be test or maybe not. Next question he will be arises or he will ask you what is your weakness. Don't forget that you don't show your weakness. Just example, I am so weak in the study. No, not necessary. You say your weakness as like a positive way. Just example, I can't say no when someone asks me for help. So this is the one of the weakness and one of the positive thing also that. So after this question, they may test you by any activity. Okay, so next question may be, why you want to join our company or organization? So you be answer like that. It is my privilege to work with you, sir. This is a big organization, and definitely I see the dream to do the work, and it is my passion to do this kind of a work. So it may be your answer. Next question he will be asked, what is your expectation about salary? So don't expect too much more. So you can ask if you are a fresher, then you ask, sir, as per company norm, I can take my salary. And then after you, if you have a previous experience, then definitely he asks you why you leave your previous job. Then your answer should be positive way, not a negative way. If you realize them as you have in trouble and then you leave means that means you anytime you leave any company. So don't do like that. You definitely see your punctual timing or punctual with your work. And lastly, when your interview is done, just say thank you, sir, or thank you, madam, whatever he or she is there, and then stand up, and then after put your chair at a proper place, and then leave it. So this is the proper way to give the interview, and this is the very important part about how to give the interview and all that. Thank you so much to listening this video. Thank you so much.